Hey there, Ben Arnold here with ConnectScale. I want to go through and give you a demo of how to use our app. First up, we'll go with the home screen. So here you see we have the home screen going. So the first thing I want to show you is the feeds on this. So if you notice where it says My Catch Log, if you tap that, you can select between Public Log and My Friends Log. And what that does is My Catch Log is your personal catches that you're logging on with your device. The public log is going to be all of those public catches that people are sharing to our feed. So here's one from Doug that he just caught on November 6th, 5:37. You can see he shared his location. You can go in and see that location. He submitted that catch as part of the tournament that he's fishing. So you see the ID card there. If I want to go in and look at that catch in more detail, I can click that and it brings up that image in full screen. Then I can back out, and then if I want to look at the map, I can look at the map to see that catch. And if I want to go in and look at Doug's profile, I can do that and see his catch stats and all of that goodness. And then we can keep scrolling on the public catch log to see different catches. And then you can see different information in regards to where they've caught it, what, location, weight, all of that is input on the catch feed. If you want to just see your friends that you're following, you would do the My Friends log. So these are people that I've followed and watching their catches. We can see Angel here with the 1.83 caught on October 29th. So the feed is a filter option that allows you to select how you want to view that. The next thing that you can do on the home page is the data filters. So if you click that, what this allows you to do is filter in what you're viewing. So you can sort by date, you can sort by different species, bait lure, waterway, weight, to show the highest to lowest of your catches, and they also filters on the public and the friends feed as well. But then with the filters, what you can do, so if you want to go in and look at a specific species, you can do that species and filter, and then we go in and we select, okay, I only want to see, largemouth bass. So let's select that as a filter. So now that we have that selected, we click done, and then the feed will load with only those catches that are large feet or largemouth bass. So it's really just a good way to go in and use your personal log and also your friends and the public log to see what catches are out there. And then with the social interaction, if you have a catch that you want to share, you can go in on your catch log and you can hit share. And what that does is it brings you up and allows you to select how you want to share that. So you can select different options to select. You can send it all these different ways. You can select how you want to share. If you want to share to Facebook and other social apps, you can do that within the app. We also have likes and comments. So if you're following someone on the public log and you want to give them a shout out and say, great catch, you can tap that and add a comment and just really interact with the other users on the platform. So you do that, you hit the arrow button to send it, and then that will send that to that individual. You can like the catches by tapping the heart, and that really just gives you that social interaction to build the community that we have here on the ConnectScale app. The next piece is catch details. So if I go back to my catch log and I want to look at the catch details, I can do that by tapping just underneath the image of the catch. So if you do that from your own catch, it's going to bring up the edit catch page where you can go in and edit all the details of that catch that you want to. You can go in and add additional photos. You can change, add the length, species, bait lure, technique, waterway, all of that information you can change. So you just do that by tapping that. Now, if you go in and view someone else's catch, what that's going to do is bring in that information of the data that they've shared and they want to share. So the weight, the length, what the temperature was. Doug here has entered the species and the waterway that he's on. and the waterway will pull in automatically depending on the GPS settings in your device. So it's really a good way to keep track of all of the catch information that you have, and then share that with your friends if you just want to share it with your friends, or share it with the public too. So here is just an image of going in and viewing that screen, viewing that catch full screen, and hitting the back button to navigate through the app. And I mentioned before switching between the map view and the photo view. And then the other thing on the catch feed page that I want to show you is our notifications. So if you tap that bell icon, what this is going to do is it's going to bring up our in-app notifications. So we use this to show you your friends' personal best when they catch a new personal best. And also we'll be using this to share information about the tournaments we're hosting on the platform. So you'll be able to come in here and see any tournaments that you've been invited to. It'll show up here. It'll show you how soon it is before that tournament's ending. It'll give you different notifications and different ways for you just to get more information about what we're doing. Again, my name's Ben. We'll be doing a series of these showing you different features of the app. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to us. You can reach me at ben@connectscale.com, or our general information line is info@connectscale.com. Thank you.